The Hotshot Fogger 6 with Odor Neutralizer is designed to kill listed insects and control heavy infestations in enclosed areas. Before using, read and follow all label directions. To begin, there are a few steps to take before you fog. Open cabinets, cupboards, drawers, closets, and doors in areas to be treated. Remove or cover exposed foods, dishes, utensils, food processing equipment, and surfaces. Remove pets and birds, and cover and turn off airflow systems in aquariums. Remove or cover kid and pet toys. Cover waxed wood floors and furniture in the immediate area surrounding the fogger with newspaper or drop cloth. Close outside doors and windows. Shut off fans and air conditioners, and temporarily disconnect smoke alarms. Turn off all flames, pilot lights, ignition sources, and running electrical appliances that cycle off and on. Now you can begin fogging. First, place a stand, such as a chair or table, in the center of the room to be fogged and cover it with several layers of newspaper or paper towels. Shake the fogger well before using. The can sprays up, so be sure to tilt the sprayer away from your face. Press the valve all the way down, hooking the catch. The fog will begin to deploy, so do not inhale the spray mist. Set the fogger on the covered stand and vacate the premises immediately. Close the door and hang the completed Fogger in Use tag on the outer doorknob to alert others not to enter the premises. Keep the treated area closed and do not re-enter the premises for at least 2 hours. After fogging is complete, you'll need to air out the space. Before reoccupying the area, open all doors and windows, turn on air conditioners and fans, and allow treated area to air out for 2 hours. Then, turn on smoke alarms and aquariums. Our formula is non-staining and won't leave a wet, messy residue, which means less cleanup for you.